a common condition that affects more than 3 million people across America as restless leg syndrome, or RLS, per the Mayo Clinic. This condition does not yet have a cure and can negatively impact someone's life quality. RLS typically causes cramping in the legs, but they can also occur in the head, arms, torso, as well as other parts of the body. The cramping causes one to toss and turn in bed, their sleep is lost. Health experts believe the reason RLS develops is because of a problem in the nervous system where the legs cramp up overnight and they begin to move uncontrollably. Reports indicate that RLS is quite painful. Those that have experienced this have shared that it feels like itching that goes away by standing up and walking around. This is largely why this is frustrating and why quality sleep is lost. There is a natural remedy that has been found tried and true in relieving the painful symptoms of RLS. That natural remedy is to put a bar of soap under the sheet of your bed before you go to sleep. This odd folk remedy is a simple one. Just place a bar of soap under your bed sheet or under the bottom fitted sheet of your bed. Bar of soap in a sock before placing it in the sheets to prevent making a mess. It is also recommended that you change out the soap every month to a new one. While this may sound odd at first, people have found that this method gives great results to treating their leg cramps and RLS. While the benefits cannot be explained by medical doctors, it is believed that it is due to the soap's high levels of magnesium. That is because magnesium deficiency is a leading cause of leg cramps and restless leg syndrome, RLS. Some doctors even suggest using lavender soap would provide extra benefits, as lavender is known to relax your muscles. To achieve the very best results, use a natural soap and a scent that uses essential oils, such as lavender oil. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.